So in our application problem, we learned that a landscaper is planting some flowers, some marigolds, in a row. And we know that row is 2 yards long. I can see that on this line plot down here. Our origin is at 0, and our line plot is ending at 2 yards. 1 yard is also denoted or shown. Okay. It's saying that the flowers must be placed 1/3 yard apart to have room to grow. And the first flower will be at point 0. We need to figure out how many marigolds will fit in this row and place them on the number line or the line plot below. Now, in order to do that, I have to really look at these tick marks and figure out what does each of these tick marks mean? What is their value? I know I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 tick marks to get to 1 yard. That means each of these is 1/18. So I can label them. I know they're in units of 18, and I know my marker is really thick, so I'm just going to label them as what their numerator would be. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and finally 18. And I believe that is the same on this one. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That is the same pattern over here. So whatever we figure out where we can plant here, it could be similar on this side. But I know I need to plant every 1/3, and I only have 18ths. So let's find an equivalent fraction. We have to figure out 1/3 is equal to how many 18ths? We know we need every 3rd yard. 3 times what equals 18? 3 times 6. What do I do on the bottom? I do on the top. So my numerator is 6. So every 6/18 is going to be a marigold. So my first one, aside from the one I planted at 0, is going to be here at 6/18. Then I have to go 6 more. Another 1/3 of a yard, or another 6/18 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to jump, and I'm going to plant another marigold at 12/18. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to jump again, and it's going to be at 1 yard. And I'm going to keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/18. I jumped again, another 6/18 or 1/3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jumped another 6/18 or 1/3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I jumped my last. So every time we jumped, we went 1/3 or 6/18. And we know that those are equivalent. So we figured out that there would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 marigolds. That can be planted in a row. We're going to continue looking at these line plots and finding the missing value on a line plot by really looking at the tick marks, so what each tick value means, and using our knowledge of number lines and maybe fractions, considering these tick marks are less than 1, so they were fractional pieces.